Hey guys, Thad
And Grayson.
here for Iowa Budget RC. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. We're finally finding time to do this unboxing and review video. So this is on the what, Grayson?
M3A1 by Bwinedrone.
And this is one of their gel blaster guns. And this one is supposed to be more powerful and have more round capacity than the other model that we have. And these things are pretty neat. We've already taken the battery out and charged it, and we have gel beads ready to go. But show them the gel beads here, Gray.
So there's these ones which are glow in the dark.
Which is we're gonna try and get a shot with those sometime.
And then these ones which are just normal, which are.
And they grow. You put them in the provided container with water, and they grow to be about that big, and then you load them into the gun and shoot them. So show them how it goes together, Gray.
So here's just the normal part of the gun. Here's the stock, and then with the stock there's that, and then on the gun there's that. So then you just maybe
Can you do it?
slide it on there, just like that. And then there's the magazine.
Also known as a clip. Everything fits nicely into this molded box too. We keep the boxes around for these because of that. Makes it easy to transport. All right. You want to show them how to load it?
And also to take out the mag, you press that right there and then slides right out.
Okay. Is there a safety on it? There's no safety on this one?
Semi-automatic.
Okay.
So, this side right here is this. And then it hardly comes out on the middle side, right up here. So I always just
You pop the cap on it.
take the whole thing off. And then
Load it up.
it's almost all of them.
And then you can always mix more if you need to. And what was your tip that you gave me this morning about making them?
Use warm water, not hot or not cold. Use warm water, and it makes them grow faster.
So if you want to do this and go out and play in 20 minutes or so, then
Not 20 minutes.
it takes probably a half hour, yeah. All right, so Grayson, did you bring the target?
No.
Oh, we forgot the target, but that's okay because we've got a cousin, Grayson's cousin, who we're going to have a little war with. But from 20 yards away, he's hitting the mailbox over there. Yeah, with 5 mile an hour wind. Pretty accurate gun. We've got a war going on here. A gel blaster war. It's a war! It's a war! It's the war of the gel blasters. All right, Grayson, so what'd you think of this thing?
It hurt.
It hurt?
Yeah, I got
Show your little mark. So this is one of the issues that you can have if you're too close when you shoot the Orbeez gun or the Gel Blaster gun. It can hurt you. It only hurts for a minute, but it hurts. So just to be forewarned, that's why these are for kids 12, 14 and up, I guess. Yeah, the boys had fun out here with the Gel Blasters, with the old one and the new one. And Grayson's still having fun because he's not quite out of ammo yet. So that's one nice thing about this is it's got more capacity than the other one.
I'm gonna be completely honest, it does not shoot as far, and I don't think it has more power.
I think it has more power, but it's got less accuracy. But for the price, these things are well worth it, and you can have tons of fun. So anyway, with that, be sure and wear your safety glasses, right, Grayson? And
It hurts.
it does hurt, and you don't want to get hit in the eye.
And look.
Yep, it can save your eye. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm Thad.
I'm Grayson.
And that's Bad Guy B for Iowa Budget RC. Have a great Thanksgiving.